Good morning, guys. What is up? Hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life, smashing your projects. I have a way that I'm gonna help you guys smash your projects. Camera is dope. If you are looking for a beginner's camera, my time using this, I can highly recommend it. It takes the RF lenses. It's super sharp for the price. Amazing. Buy it. Get a book, get a MacBook, tablet, paper, get a tissue, toilet paper. You guys need to write down some goals for the month. I usually do this at the beginning of every month. Maybe a target number you want to make for money. Maybe you're trying to get more followers on IG. You still haven't got paper yet. Pause the video, get some paper now. I would love to get 10K by the end of the month. It's gonna be a challenge, but I think with a shorter day, I know with a shorter day it's possible. I just need to work the fuck harder. I have the content, so I'm gonna do it one shorter day. If I don't do it, tell me, Brad, what are you doing? One short per day. Boom. And if you guys are uploading your work to IG and you haven't been using the hashtag WhosYourBrad yet, make sure you use that because I will give you guys shout outs for the work that I like. I want to see some more portraits. You guys are like super talented. You need to upload more and I would love to see them. If you guys did write down your goals, drop me a comment and let me know, guys. As well, boom, presets are live, guys. I will leave a link in the description. You can get 6 of my favorite presets. Go and check that out. Super good price at the moment, $12.99. Let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing this video with the Canon R50 and I'm going to be shooting here with these two girls. We have like a super dope location, going to be super nice. Guys, what's your names? Where are you from?
My name is Rosanne, I'm from Holland.
Mi nombre es Verónica y soy de Venezuela.
¿Cómo conocemos?
Bueno, nos conocimos justamente hace una semana más o menos en Paseo de Gracia. Casualmente me dijo para hacer unas fotos y salieron geniales, así que bien.
There's like a guy like, I wish I could show you this guy, but he's loving it. We're going to be using the 50mm and the 35. We're going to rock with the 50 first and then the 35. I'm like, damn, can they see that tripod? I'm like, yes, perfect. Stay there. Perfect, yeah. Aha, just there. Now looking in the camera. Perfect. Standing more a little bit this way, so the sun is like behind you. Sí, otro lado. Sí, boom, ahí. Y me mires. Yes, that's good, that's good. Awesome, say that. Yeah, so you guys can see this is like gonna be super blurry. It's like really nice. Amazing, me mires así. Aguanta. Yes, perfect. And let's do some even, so walking like maybe even here, just stands here in the middle. Sí. Sí, no. It's like, me encanta tu look. It looks good, yeah, stay there. Perfect, hold it, nice.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks.
Say it? Yes, nice, nice. Perfect, love it, love it. Awesome. And now looking towards me, Ami. Yes, y un poquito más aquí. Sí. Pero más por ahí, sí.
¿Más para aquí?
Yeah, just in there, just there.
Aquí, aquí.
Yeah. Yes, maybe more this way though, just because of the light. Like stand a little more. Un poquito más ahí, yes. Boom, just there.
Aquí.
Yes, like that. Awesome. Okay, yes, and let's try some here in the street too.
Aquí.
Or like, yeah, a little closer. Awesome, stay like that, stay there. Perfect. See.
Trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends.
Perfect, yes, a little more, poquito más. See, just there. Perfect, perfect, love it. Look at me, nice, stay there. Ponte seria. Stay there.
My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting.
Yeah, perfect. And now just turning your head just a little bit this way. Yes, like that. See. And maybe with this hand, like, yes, something like this on your hip even. Yeah. Perfect, stay there. Amazing. Okay, yes, vamos a la calle. See. I know, this one, yes, looking this way again, a little bit. Yes, perfect. And then give me, yes, like this. Perfect, yes, just there. Awesome. Let me try and get some backlit once. Oh yeah, that's dope. Stay there. Okay, boom, back in the middle here. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect, just in here. Boom, and then let's get some like walking towards me. Más coches? No.
Muy bien.
Sí, no, estás aquí con la luz, queda súper chula.
Sí. Ahí quedan súper... ¡Ay, esta me
Esa es
encanta!
muy bonita.
Yes,
Sí,
no.
me encanta. Allí quedan súper bien.
Está bien.
Ay, me encanta.
I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Okay, ready. Y sí, aguanta. And go, sí, un poquito más aquí. And, sí. And. Okay, yes, perfect. So just stay there like that. Así. Y me miras. Just do this with your hair, like on the top here. There's like a piece up. Aquí atrás. Ya está. Sí. Ahí, yeah, stay there. Nice. Do that again. So like, just stay there. Yes, and let's do algunos aquí también. Perfect. Stay there. That's a good one. So aguanta. Stay this way. Looking this way. Ahí mirando por ahí. And stay there. Aguanta. Sí. Okay. Yes. Así. And this one, looking up again. Yeah, así. Looking over your shoulder, how you did before. Yes, like this. Sí. Stay there. Stay there. Looking at me.
No, vale. No sé si se ve bien.
One sec.
Yeah, I'ma make you.
Fotos bonitas hemos visto.
Damn. Por fin Barcelona. It's like,
Sí,
but por fin.
porque
Where they at?
Es muy aburrido, no hay casi...
Yeah, nada. And so let's go a little more, like further back. Every time now when I say un poquito más, te voy a pensar, poquito más. Yes. Awesome, yeah, stay there. Damn, está agresivo. It's a very aggressive bag, guys. Can you guys hear her? She's making fun of me.
Un poquito más.
And looking up here, perfect. See, boom, that's the spot, nice. Aguanta. Yes, con nuestra palmera. Pero con estos niños, ¿qué pasa? Okay. Okay, go back. Go back. Go back un poquito más. Yes, just. You guys, she's destroying me. Awesome, yeah, stay there. And maybe with this hand, let's swap the bag, and then this hand can come up here doing something like this. See? So you can like start there, start back there, and then just walk towards me. And just a little, yeah, it's nice.
Pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. My time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure.
And let's do some here on the pole too. The pole's gonna be our friend. Maybe one leg can come up like this, and then looking this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect, yeah, stay there. Same head going back again. Six shots, stay just like that, one more. Perfect, perfect, yes. I love these ones here by the pole.
¡Qué bella! Me gustan, me gustan. Sí, súper bonita.
This place is like
Me
good.
gusta allí.
Sí. ¿Cuál es mi palabra favorita?
Un poquito más.
Sí, ya sabes. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, so puedes cruzar la calle como caminando.
Vale, ahora.
Sí. Okay, perfect. Caminando, me mires. Okay, awesome. Stay there. Yes, just there, just there. That looks so. Okay, good.
Cannot hold overflows. Become one. Now work it. Don't just stop.
I think that's us. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wait, I'm like just like completely lost. Esto fatal la primera. I'm like, pero qué estoy haciendo?
Corta, una toma.
I'm like, what am I even saying? So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's no, guys, don't worry. It's all good.
No pasa nada.
Tienes que decir hola. ¿Ah? Ah, vale, no pasa nada, está bien. Pues sí pasa, no.
Sí pasa, sí
Sí,
pasa.
sí pasa. La próxima vez, what did you guys think? What were you feeling, guys? 50, 35?
Both. I like them both.
Me gustan todas.
So as I told you guys before, this is a dope camera. If you're a beginner photographer, I would highly recommend it. We are going to be shooting some videos too, guys, and some reels for our Instagram. I'll leave all of their details as well in the description so you can check out their pages on IG. And yes, love you guys. See you in the next video. Hasta luego.
Work it. Can I